Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these brass hoop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to straighten this out so that we can put the beads on. So we're going to take a pair of flat nose pliers, and I'm just going to put this right here. I'm going to bend it out somewhat straight. And then I can add my beads on in whatever order I like. I'm going to use these turquoise Howlite beads and some brass beads. I'm just going to make this one match the other one. And then I'm going to take my pair of pliers. I'm going to bend it back up. And there you go. All the supplies for this can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.